everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to create this look here. And this I posted on my Instagram a few weeks back I think now, and I got a big reaction. You all seem to love it, so I thought it was very in theme, all Christmassy, so why not film a tutorial on it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell to make sure you miss none of my future videos. I post every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday at 8:30 PM, so be sure not to miss that. I'm just going to zoom you a little bit, do my off camera quickly, and we will get straight into this video. So hence the natural brow look. I didn't carve my eyebrows out today. I just applied the base using this fluffy brush and then just blended that in the edges so there's no harsh lines. I just patted the Plouise base in shade 2 all over my eyelid. So to start off, we're going to be going straight into the Mmmmitchel palette with Beauty Bay. And we're going to be starting off by taking this brush here, which is a Morphe Extract and Heal JH33 brush. And we're just going to be dipping into the shade Mad, which is the bright red shade. Now, I don't know if any of you have experienced this before, but working with red is very difficult. One, it's not the easiest to blend, and two, when you blend it out, it can turn pink. Now, I really didn't want it to turn pink because I wanted it to be a true red look. So what you want to do is really coat the brush, and you want to pack. And then what I like to do is once I've got that base, I would go into this Zoeva 227 brush and take a little bit of the orange shade, just tapping that on and trying to blend that out as best as possible. If you ever get any, I just made a little bit of a mistake. I got too far in the inner corner. So we just want to tap that out with your brush that you use for the base. Packing motions are really good for this type of blending as well. So sometimes I'll use the flat side of this brush and tap that orange in to really help just give it that blend. And now going into my favourite Morphe 506 brush. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I use this brush in nearly every tutorial I think. So I'm going to be taking the shade a little bit of Mini and then a little bit of Muse, but more Mini than Muse at the minute. And we just want to really keep that in the crease. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock, jingle bell time, jingle bell time, dancing and prancing, jingle bells square, in the frosty air. With a even sort of smaller tapered brush. This is from a Morphe set, it doesn't have a number. I'm dipping into the tiniest little bit of black, tapping it off, dip and tap, and then you just really want to graze the crease. Ho ho ho! Now we're going to be using the Plouise base in the shade Rude Boy Red, and I'm just going to be putting a little bit of that. You want to take that on a nice sort of flat brush like this and you just want to be tapping that just in the centre of the lid. You could definitely use the normal base for this, but I just prefer you to use a colour under the coloured glitter. I think it gives it more effect. So now, moving on to the actual glitter, we're using the everyonee glitter rush. This is body glitter, but as long as you're safe with it and you're not silly, it's more than easy to work with on the eyes. It is chunky glitter, but that's why I like it. So we're just going to tap some of that out into the lid. We're going to be going over the top of the red base we just applied, and I'm applying this glitter on a like flat fluffy packer brush really, and you just want to be really tapping that on. I'm just going to do the other eye camera very quickly, and then I'll be back with a clean face and I'll show you how to do the under eye. So as you can see, I've just done the other eye camera and now we're looking crazy. So basically I've just applied a little bit of the Plouise base underneath my eyes. I just applied it with the exact same brush, just blending that out, making sure not to go here to disrupt the eyeshadow. And now I'm going to be taking a little bit more of the Plouise red base, the Rude Boy red base that we applied the glitter on top of, and I'm just going to be taking this on a Real Techniques lip lining brush, and I'm just going to apply it in the waterline. Then what you're going to do is go into a Maybeline 113 brush and go into a little bit of Muse and Mini. And by the way, I apologise if I haven't already apologised. I have a cold, so I'm a little bit sniffly and just not feeling well. But I need to film, so here I am. So I do apologise for the voice. So we're just then going to be using this pencil brush. And then we are going to go into, we're actually going to be going into the brush we used for the black, but we're going to use it for the red. So we're going to go into the shade Mad. And just, literally, we're going to be blending it on top. Then using the same brush as before, going into a little bit of Mental, the orange shade. Then if you feel like you've got a little bit far down, just take the brush you used to apply the base and you just go around it really, really lightly. And this also makes it really smooth. Like the edges, it really softens them. So we're just going to be applying some lashes. I'm going to apply them now, and then I'm going to do, I'm not going to do my face on camera, I'm just going to speed the whole process up, so I thought I'd do lashes now. So today we're going to be stacking lashes, and if you don't know what stacking lashes means, it basically means like one pair on top of another. This is like my favourite trick. Make sure they are both the same length, which they are. This is, so I've got the number 7, which is the first lash, and the number 22, which is the second lash. And I'm going to be applying the number 33 on top of the number 7. And by doing this, I just get both ends. So I get the end of each lash and I hold it, and you just want to press all of it together. So you want it in line. So you want both lash bands to stick together. You can use eyelash glue to help the process be quicker. Sometimes you need it, sometimes you don't. I might have to do that just because these haven't got much eyelash glue. When they like use lashes, I find them easy to do because they have some eyelash glue on. At both lashes, you just want to wiggle them to make sure that they are both together. Once you've done that, you want to get your eyelash glue and apply a nice decent layer so that it kind of covers both bands, which helps them stick together throughout the day. And then just do the exact same with the other lash. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell time and jingle bell time. Dancing and dancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. So as you can see, that is the eyes basically done. I'm just going to zoom you in, just so you can have a proper look. And these are the lashes. These might be too thick for some people, but for me, I really like it. Obviously you can go lighter or heavier. Now I'm going to be moving on to my skin, and I'm just going to be whizzing through this, otherwise this video is going to be like an hour long, and I have a terrible habit of making long videos anyway, so yep. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. guys, this is the finished look. I did my face quickly, as you saw. I just did it quickly listening to some music that I cannot share because of copyright strikes, so I'm sorry. But it was mainly an eye tutorial today. If you haven't already seen my face tutorial, just how to get good skin, I'll link that down in the description box. So in the description box I'll also link my last video, all of my social media and all the products I used today. So if you are interested, please go check that out. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please remember to like and subscribe, it really means a lot. Please be sure to leave any video ideas, suggestions, opinions, anything down in the comments. I appreciate and read them all. So yeah, basically that is it for today. I would just like to say one big last thank you for watching, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
I live inside my own world of make